Hi, let's start today analysis and let we predict for what it's going to be, right? So first, the which was the highest yesterday that gave a percentile and in a yes bank, right? So I am in short side of 233 from 233 only, so which is a very good, but yesterday I didn't pick this one. And also if you see yesterday the my trend line support zone has respected exactly, then it reversed from there, which was the clear signal of taking probabilities entries, right? So one more thing guys, that I am shocked by a lot of people, that see what they are looking for, what they want to do in a market. Are they willing to earn? Are they looking to shortcut? Are they looking for some kind of like magic for them? I don't know. I never understand one thing is that why they are looking for a shortcut. They ask a simple things. Uh, how you are analyzing? See, how you are analyzing, they are asking me, right? So how I am analyzing, since so many days, 20s of, there are a lot of videos and all, right? So I had already uploaded and explained well about it, my way and my analysis, my entries, exits, patience, waiting for signals, everything there are included, right? But still they are asking. And also the trend line, how I am drawing, how I am drawing a trend line, horizontal lines, and elot wave as well, right? And price action basis, EMA levels, pivot levels, right? And reversals. Still they are asking me how you are analyzing. What the fuck they are asking me here? I never understand that why this kind of people, they wants to come in the market. Let them go and let them do a job. If they cannot earn, then it's not a simple work, it's not a simple way to earn, right? It's very hard and you have to understand to make it simple. But in my scenario, that it is very simple to understand, right? If people have an interest, there is a lot of things it comes under that interest, right? So everything you can learn if you have a proper interest, right? So I just wanted to motivate people to make them sure and not it's like I am doing something good for them, right? So I am explaining my way, my entries, everything's, and my analysis, how I am doing, how even lot of things you can see. Whatever I said yesterday in Sun Pharma, what I did, the same thing I had did even day before yesterday, what I did just now. I said for Yes Bank I had sorted at 233. Let's see where it will go, right? So it is a probability. You can see clearly here the candle has got hit 233 level. Then why I can't enter in that, right? I'm keeping alerts. There are thousands of alerts. See, you can see here I had lots of alerts I'm keeping here. See bank nifty also I kept, right? So it is, see, you can see here clearly that everything's, whatever I am entry, whatever where my entry should be and where the market is going to be consolidate, sustain, everything's I have a notice on my mind. And my books, in my copy also I am doing, and my entry I'm making from my mobile, analyzing from systems. And see, there are a lot of things it's going on, right? So you have to understand it. You have to understand the way that you want to work, right? So this is the simple things. Please try to understand everyone that this is not a so much easier work. You can lose within one day your all the amounts you can earn within one day also. It's unlimited amounts, right? So everything is with you only. Your experience, your everything, it comes from you only, whatever you are doing, right? So please everyone try to understand and analyze properly. This is the tool that if we want to drive a car, then you have to you should have the experience to drive that well in a proper everything's restriction zone. Yesterday I had made some kind of thumbnail. I think people would not have understand that, but people, they are simply riding a bike and just even sometimes they are breaking a signal, no helmets, nothing and all, and they are just showing their hairstyles and all. Once the police got catched, then nicely they will get kicked, right? So that's happened in the market also. Same, see, if you are not following a proper rules, the same thing, it's going to kick you out from the trade, right? So the same thing is happening. So please try to understand everything by patiently follow the rules, and based on our rules you just entered, right? That is why I say in a blogs also, plan with the trade with the plan, something I had mentioned, I forgot. So see, you have to understand, right? So this is the simple that I said. Yesterday itself I had drawn this line, then how it come possible I had drawn today? No, right? This is yesterday itself I had drawn. If you see the weekly chart, you will understand, but I will not show you. Why? If I show you, then oh yeah, this guy is doing this one, oh my god. See how silly that you are ignoring to see by opening a yes bank in your system, and how silly things that you are ignoring, means you are ignoring your future itself. That's it, right? That is what I want to say. So if I am telling I will not show you, you have to check in a weekly time frame, then you will understand some basics SNR levels, right? So that is my point of view to tell you everyone, right? So please try to understand this one. See, this is nothing for me, it's, to be frank, it's, see, I had sorted, I said, which I said, it is, why? Because it is a minimum risk for me, right? I kept a SL of 240, let it be hit or let it be anything, or 255 I keep, wherever I can keep. If I place entered at 233, then I can keep 36 also, 35 also, anything. Why? Because the trend started coming down. So that is my point of view, right? So you can see here VDL what has happened. See, it's day before yesterday I had drawn this line. There is no changes in a line, there is no changes in a trend line, EMA levels, I can't modify EMA levels and all, it's auto plotted, right? So see here, it's slightly, it's taken support here and then reverse back. See, to be frank, I had sorted here, but I will not show you. You have to believe me without showing my PNL. Why? I can even show you how many account that I am holding. See, I can even show you that, right? So how many account that I am holding? 1 minute. I think I cannot drag this one. See, I think maybe people can see this. See how many, but I will not show you. Why? Because it's nothing to show you. That profit is a nothing for you, you know, it's for me. And also it doesn't matter, it only matters your trading style, and it affect your trading style if I show you. Why? Because of your greediness. That is the main concept that some people they won't show. Why? And some people they are showing. Why? Because they want people to come for a courses and all. That's the people try to do for you, but you people believe simply, and they will just show you, guys, pay 10,000 rupees, and this is the course scenario, this is the agenda and all. So this many weeks you have to learn this one. But to be frank, in Monday to Friday, whatever 1 hour 2 hour he is getting a time, they will explain little bit, but no anything behind, right? So they will just show you, guys, follow this EMA levels. I don't know, some people are fucking, it's innocent money, yeah, innocent people looking at chart and, oh yeah, this guy is looking, showing the profit, oh yeah, this guy is earning a lot of monies. This is the motivational purpose only I am uploading this one, to explain you, and please try to understand I'm what I am telling, right? So if you understand, I feel better, I feel proud. Why? Because I am helping people. That's my view, that's my I get more success and I get more confident to explain you. See here, I told you I had sorted, right? It started falling down. If I had a little bit of doubt, why should I tell I had sorted here? I am sure about it. That is why I said, right? So that's my point of view. See, it was here just now. See, started consolidating towards the downside. Why? Because the metal is also, it's getting down, right? So see, VDL you can see in, it is in metal list only. In Petro you see metal list only. Tata see metal list only. It's how you have to analyze. Please try to understand, right? So some people are, I don't know, yaar, it's, they are fucking their self, and they are simply even trying to tell like I am wrong. Who the fuck are they that I am wrong? And also, to be frank, people in the some of groups and all, it's people used to say, and but I never try to do a conversation and all. Why? I just see their view, I just see their thoughts, and it is a very bad thoughts that they are thinking. See, you can see here, let me remove this this line so you will understand. Here I'll remove this session line, okay. Time zone, see. Am I wrong? So do I have to buy from here? I had already said that you have to follow all the videos properly. You will not lose your time if you see, to be frank. See here, see how easily that it touched. Now once it touched, I said in a previous video itself that where that entry should be, right? So I said, you can see that one, you will understand. If you are interested, you can see. If you are not, just go to hell, I don't care about it, right? But if you are really interested, I am proud of you, I am proud of myself that I am explaining this truth, right? So I feel very good, and I am ready to help everyone who are really interested and who are really wants to become a financial freedom, right? See here how nicely it got rejected from this area and started reversing. And one more thing advantage is here it comes pivot levels also, right, which was a fantastic. See here, you can see here whatever, see, you can see here, right, in this chart also you can see that cursor. See how nice it was. It was a previous SNR levels. See, rejected from here 73 to 54. Do you think this much of profit you will get in one day? You will get, but you are busy in some other dreaming shortcuts. So that's that is what I'm talking some kind of shit. So I don't know how can I explain people that what I am doing and all. See here, and even Oro Pharma, there I know very well it's going to be a sideways. It's there should be a no proper momentum and proper it will be in a range only. And about Bank Nifty and all, You guys can see even yesterday around I think 9 to 9:58 somewhere around I had uploaded, see, which was a very nice move in a Nifty Pharma, that reverse actually. See here, yesterday, I guess this is a yesterday only, right? Yeah, it was a 13:45, means 1:45 somewhere around, it got pushed nicely, right? And the whole day it sustained, it tried to pushed up, but it reject again, then pushed up. But overall it is in my SNR level. So where I have to enter? Do you think either I should have catch in this or in this, right? There was a two chance. Okay, morning you don't know that morning, suppose 10 o'clock around I said, right? So you would have wait. Why? Because it is in a somewhere around here I said, which means already it has picked up the momentum. If you would have taken a premium of a call side here also, then after falling also you would not have a loss. Why? Because again the momentum has rise, and see today how the position, you would have gained like anything, right? So that's my point of view to tell and explain. See here how, see, this trend line got rejected, whatever this last week I had draw this, and it got rejection, and it started reversing from here, and see, and it has drastically fall, and it took a support at EMA levels, which I said you in previous video that I don't have to explain, right, in every video. And see here, and then it took a support which was my previous level SNR only. So, and then again bounce back. This is the way of entry. This is the considerable zone of entries, not here, right? Not here. Already I had said yesterday itself, it's going to dance between this area. You can see, and you can compare this, if I am telling truth or wrong, so you will understand, right? So thanks. So I hope everyone understand, and I hope if you are happy that you will follow up, right? So thank you.